In example 7, they give you three integrals and want you to find the integration from 8 to 10 of f of x dx. And what we're looking at is these formulas here, where if you have the integration split, so a to c and then c to b, if you add them, that should be the total integration from a to b. And so we're using this property 5 right here in example 7. And so if you look at these, what they've given you is 0 to 10 is the whole interval, and then they've split it into two pieces, 0 to 8 and then 8 to 10. So what we can say is the whole interval from 0 to 10 of f of x dx should be the integration from 0 to 8 f of x dx plus the integration from 8 to 10 f of x dx. And they said from 0 to 10, the answer is 17. From 0 to 8, the answer is 12. And they want us to find this one. So if we subtract 12, we get that integration to be 5. So the integration from 8 to 10 of f of x dx is 5.